Hi friends, in today's video we are going to be making this really cute and fun button-down shirt card for Father's Day. It's super easy to make, so let's go ahead and get started. So to get started, you're going to need a 12 by 12 piece of scrapbook paper. I think it's best if you have it be double-sided, but if you don't like I do, you can just easily use double-sided adhesive to make sure that the back is also covered as well. So starting off with our 12 by 12 sheet here, I'm gonna just make a mark at the 5.5 point. And then we're just going to cut that right down. Okay, so here is our 5.5 by 12 piece. I'm going to line it up. I'm going to score at the 3-inch mark. I'm going to score at the 9-inch mark. Then I'm going to score at the 10-inch mark and the 2-inch. Now, I learned this from Carol Duvall many years ago, but you're going to fold away from the score line. It helps with the creasing. All right, and then I'm going to fold in. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and then we have the 1 inch on each side, just like that. So now what we're going to do is right in this column, we're going to score and cut 1 3/4 inches. Place that on my scoreboard, and I'm going to score at the 1 3/4 inch and do the same thing for the other side. Right where you scored at the 1 3/4 inch, you're just going to cut that slit. So we're just going to cut to where that first score line is. Okay, so that's what we have so far. So now we're just going to fold this in. So we're going to take our slit and we're going to separate it just like that. And the easiest way to do this, I find, is we're going to bring that in, and right where the t-shirt sleeve is, we're going to then fold that right down. Okay, we're going to do that again on this side. So again, here is our slit. We're going to bring that in. I want to use the shirt sleeve as a guide, and then we're going to take that accordion fold and then press that down. So here's what our shirt looks like. So what I want to do now is I want the card to open with just the shirt opening like this. You can have it more as a pop-up like that, but what I'm going to do for mine is I'm going to just put some adhesive right where the sleeve is. I'm also going to put some adhesive on this side as well, so that when I close it, the shirt sleeve stays closed, as well as this inside piece. But really up to you. You can have it so that it pops open, like I said. But for my card, I want it to just open from the front. There we go. All that's left is to cover the inside of our card, and I'm just going to be using the remaining portion of the same paper. I'm just going to use some double-sided adhesive and glue this right down, and then trim off the excess and then score. So I'm just going to lay that right down on top of my card, and then I'm going to remove the excess from around the card. So now we have the inside completely covered. So now I'm just going to take each side. Okay, so I'm just going to gently crease that on both sides. Same with the other side. Okay, so I've creased it on both sides to create the fold again. And look at how pretty that inside is. So now what we're going to do is we are going to just carefully bend the paper back to create the collar of the shirt. So now I'm just going to take another sheet of paper and I'm going to adhere it onto the center part here because that's where I want my sentiment to go. So for that, I'm going to be using the scrapbook.com Ombre pattern collection. And I think I want to do this purple on the inside so that I can easily write my sentiment for my dad so that it's visible and isn't blending in too much with the background. Okay, so I'm going to trim this down to size. Just going to use some double-sided adhesive to adhere that right down to the center. All right, so that's what that looks like so far. Really cute. I am going to be using some die sets. The first one I'm going to be using is from scrapbook.com, Happy Father's Day. I'm going to be using this die, Dad. And then from the scrapbook.com Cosmic die set, I'm using You're Out of This World. The idea I'm going with is I'm going to have the word Dad on the front so that when he opens it, it says You're Out of This World with the sentiment. From the scrapbook.com Classic Glossy Cardstock, I'm going to use the black and the white for the Dad sentiment. And then for You're Out of This World, I'm going to be using the cobalt blue, this beautiful cobalt blue from the Rainbow Glossy Cardstock Pad. And then for the outline of that sentiment, I think I'm going to go with I'm going to go with this really pretty holographic with the stars. I love this paper pad. It's so good. So this is what the sentiment looks like. So I have Dad and You're Out of This World in that beautiful cobalt blue with the holographic background. We are going to apply this to the inside of the card. So I'm just going to use some double-sided adhesive. There we go. Just like that. So then for the word Dad, I'm just going to put that right in the middle there. And I'm just going to go ahead and add glue to the one side. Just like that. Put that right in the center. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add my buttons. One there and one there. I'm going to use this Craft Smart glitter glue. It's just clear with sparkle, and I am just going to add that on various areas of the shirt. Off camera, I went ahead and cut out some of the stars and the moon using the holographic mirror paper as well as the Cosmic Scrapbook.com die set. So here's the moon and the stars that I used and applied that right onto the card in keeping with the Out of This World theme. We have a finished, very easy with minimal items that you need to make this card. The basis of this card is literally just a 12 by 12 scrapbook piece of paper. And then, of course, if you have any embellishments, sentiments, you can even stamp in here as well if you don't have the die sets. And then again, bringing out the rest of the shirts that I made here. And then my brother is also going to get one because he has a little fur baby. So I am going to choose one of these to gift to him for Father's Day. I really hope you try out this really easy shirt technique. Sky's the limit in terms of the type of shirt you want to gift to your dad. If you like this video, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye, friends.